In the heart of the medieval city of Byzantium, a golden age was dawning. The year was 532 AD, and Emperor Justinian I, a visionary ruler with a grand ambition, stood before a barren plot of land. This was to be the site of his greatest architectural masterpiece, the Hagia Sophia. The cathedral, a symbol of the Byzantine Empire's power and faith, was to be a marvel of engineering and artistry, a testament to Justinian's reign and the glory of Byzantium. However, the task was not an easy one, for the cathedral was to be built on the ruins of two previous structures, both of which had succumbed to disasters. The first cathedral, originally built by Emperor Constantine the Great, had been destroyed by a riot in 532 AD, just as construction was about to begin. The second, built by Emperor Theodosius II, had been damaged by an earthquake in 404 AD. The site was cursed, it seemed, yet Justinian was undeterred. The architect chosen for the task was Anthemius of Tralles, a brilliant mathematician and engineer. He was paired with Isidore of Miletus, a master craftsman known for his intricate designs. Together, they set to work, guided by Justinian's vision of a cathedral that would surpass all others in grandeur and beauty. Construction began in 532 AD, and the city of Byzantium buzzed with activity. Thousands of workers, both skilled and unskilled, toiled under the watchful eyes of Anthemius and Isidore. The task was monumental, and the challenges were numerous. The site was unstable, the materials were scarce, and the timeline was tight. Yet, the duo persevered. They designed a floor plan that was a perfect square, with a central dome supported by four massive piers. The dome was to be the largest in the world, a feat that had never been accomplished before. The construction methods were innovative, with the use of a wooden scaffolding that could be raised and lowered as the dome took shape. The work was difficult and dangerous. Many workers fell to their deaths, their bodies added to the rubble that lay beneath the cathedral's foundations. Yet, the spirit of the city was not deterred. The people of Byzantium watched in awe as the cathedral took shape, its domes and arches a testament to the ingenuity and determination of its builders. Finally, on December 27, 537 AD, the dome of the Hagia Sophia was completed. The city erupted in cheers as the sun streamed through the cathedral's windows, casting a golden glow on the marble floors. The Hagia Sophia was complete, a marvel of engineering and artistry that would stand for centuries as a symbol of Byzantium's glory. The Hagia Sophia was more than just a cathedral. It was a testament to the power and faith of the Byzantine Empire, a symbol of its grandeur and its aspirations. It was a structure that would endure for over 1,000 years, a witness to the rise and fall of empires, and a reminder of the power of human ingenuity and determination. The Hagia Sophia stands today, a testament to the past and a reminder of the dreams of a visionary emperor and his architects. It is a symbol of a golden age, a time when the city of Byzantium was the center of the known world, and a testament to the enduring spirit of human achievement.